little reception friends. Hello everybody. Okay, just before we get started today, we've got a quick little warm up for you. So on my board I've got a number. Can you tell me this number? It's a 2-digit number. It's got a 1 and an 8. That's it, it must be 18. Okay, so your challenge today is to think of and tell me, first of all, what is 1 fewer than 18? What is 1 fewer than 18? Do you already know it, or do you need to have a little think? So if you're not sure, you could count up to 18 to help you to remember which number comes before. So we'll start from 10 to do it together. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What number came before 18? Oh, it was 17. 17 is 1 fewer than 18. And another way we can know this is because we do know that 7 is 1 fewer than 8. Okay, so even though they're bigger numbers, we know that the last number is what matters. Whoosh. Your next challenge is, what is 1 more than 18? Can you tell me 1 more than 18? If you count on, another little trick, because we've already got 2 numbers here, is to count using these numbers to help us to see which comes next. Ready? 17, 18. What would come next? 19. Well done if you got it. Let's pop it up. Good job, everybody. Okay, so we've got 17, 18, 19. Okay, everybody, welcome to today's new learning. So your learning today is I can describe a shape. Okay, so that is talking about comparing shapes, talking about what's different about them, okay, so that we can say which shape is which. But I could just ask you to describe the shapes, but that would be no fun. So what we're going to do is I am going to describe some shapes, and you are going to see if you can guess what they are from the learning that you've done during the week already. Okay, it's a little bit of a challenge, but I think it's going to be some fun. Okay, so let's see how we get on. Let's get going. Okay, the shape I'm thinking of is round and it has one side. Round and it has one side. What's the shape, Rocco? You're right, it's a circle. A circle is round with one side. Good job, Rocco. Okay, the next shape I'm thinking of has 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. What shape could this be? You got it, Rocco? Have you got it, children? It's a square. Well done, Rocco. A square has 4 equal sides. Excellent job. Well done. Okay, the next shape I'm thinking of has 3 sides. It has 3 sides. What could it be? Have you got it? Well done, it's a triangle. Good job, a triangle has 1, 2, 3 equal sides. Excellent job. Okay, and the last shape I'm thinking of has 4 sides, but they are not equal. 4 sides that aren't equal. Can you think what it's going to be? Excellent, it is a rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but they are not equal. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Good job, everyone. Okay, you did a super job with that. Okay, so now it's your own little task time. So I want you to have your workbook nearby and ready, okay? So we're going to do some little riddles, which means tell you some little things that you need to work out. Okay, So I'm going to describe something and you're going to draw what you think it might be in your workbook. Okay, so we'll start off with, I have 3 sides. Can you draw a shape that you know with 3 sides? I have 3 sides. Can you say the name of that shape? Hopefully you have a triangle and you will have got that right. Well done, great job. Okay, next one, are you ready? I have no straight lines. I am round. Can you draw a shape with no straight lines but it's round and it just has one side? What might that be, guys? Can you draw it? Hopefully you have a circle. Good job. Okay, next one, ready? I have 4 equal sides. Remember, we know that equal means the same. I have 4 equal sides. Can you draw that in your book? A shape with 4 equal sides? What shape is it that you've got, guys? You should have a square. Good job. Okay, now listen really carefully. So for this shape, you can put 2 squares together to make my shape. That's very, very tricky, isn't it? Just try and think of 2 squares together and that would make this shape. If you've got it now, if you start to draw it in your workbook, but if you don't, I'm going to help you a bit. So I have 4 sides, but they are not equal. I have 4 sides, but they are not equal. What could that be? Yes, it's a rectangle. Good job, guys. Well done. Okay, now what I would like you to do, just to finish off, is to write next to your shapes their name and then write how many sides they have. Okay, I want you to describe and write a bit about the shape next to it in your workbook. Just then it's going to help you. All right, well done. Good job today, guys. Now for an extra little challenge, if you're up for it, how about you write some riddles in your book about different shapes? So just how I've been giving you riddles and you've had to guess the shape, you could try and think and write of your own riddles. So it might be that you say, the shape I'm thinking of is the same shape as a slice of pizza. Or it might be that you write down the shape I'm thinking of is not a square, but it does have 4 sides, but the sides are not equal. Then you can test your family at home with them and see if they can guess them. How fun!